really simple patriotic sign using one of these little hanging shelves from the Dollar Tree. You guys know I love these. They have that great wood finish. They're nice and thick, and they really make really great signs. So I was trying to figure out how I could use the existing rope I had on there to make a hanger for our sign. And we're going to make a really easy 4th of July sign with just a window decal. I decided to leave just one in place and then string that through the other side. And then I decided it might look better if I tie them in front. So I switched it out and kind of measured out how long I wanted the hanger to be and then just tie a knot on the other side. I always find that the signs hang better when I tie them in front. And then I'm just using this Dollar Tree window decal. This long skinny one that says Happy Independence Day is going to be the perfect size for this side. So this was such an easy sign to make. I just put down a layer of matte Mod Podge, and then I placed down the window decal, kind of centering it on my sign. It has a great wood finish on the sign to begin with, so that provides a great background. Then once I get it on there, I just go over it again with some more matte Mod Podge all the way over the entire sign to seal that in. And the matte finish is going to make it, not so obvious, like shiny like the window decals can be. And then to cover the holes in the bottom of the sign, there was a few stars on that window decal too, just tiny ones. So I thought I might as well put those on there. And then, I thought to balance it out, I might use some more decorations since I did have a little bit of space on there. So I did use some white stars as well. So I just go in and seal all of those with some more Mod Podge as well. And that is really all there is to it. Super easy way to make a sign for the 4th of July. And I love using window decals. You can find some really great ones at the Dollar Tree. Sometimes I pick them up at Dollar General as well. And I just love these shelves from the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to show you how you can make just a quick, easy sign with these. If you can find the right decal, there's usually a pretty good variety at Dollar Tree, Dollar General, even Walmart. Walmart sometimes even have them a little bit cheaper, but it's a great way. I know a lot of you don't have Cricut machines, and so this is definitely a way to DIY your own sign.